I was once chatting with a taxi driver who was interested in my research that utilized Biblical Hebrew. I explained that I had been completely taken aback by the large number of people who had viewed my introduction to Biblical Hebrew videos on YouTube. Why would there be such an interest in learning to read Hebrew in the Bible? He offered an interesting thought. People perceive our current world as dangerous and getting worse, and they want to grow closer to God. Hebrew is God's language, so what better way to grow closer to Him? My method of teaching Biblical Hebrew is quite different from the traditional approach. I do not emphasize grammar, which is, after all, another language imposed upon Hebrew. Instead, you will learn the language like a child, and I will emphasize two things: the sound of the language and the patterns of the language. For example, Hebrew uses a 3-letter verbal root that can change the sense of meaning by adding letters and changing the sound. Go to our website for more information and to register if you want to learn to read Biblical Hebrew.